Okay, so I'm Mike again. This is my second MikroRail prototype, and this is same system, basically an I-beam kind of system, but now I went vertical with the web boards and then the horizontal. So on this one I used some scrap. That's why there's some holes in it and things like that. But this would be for like bed rails, bunk beds and things like that. I do mention when we get into the Instructable that you need to be very, very careful about spacing in here. This was a prototype, so I wasn't concerned, but you have to watch out for infant like entrapment with the heads and stuff like that. There's some standards. So I even have links in there to where to look for those kinds of standards and what it should be and everything else. But again, this would be used for railings, beds, bunks, lofts, things like that. Make those tweaks for the safety issues and things like that. But it gives you an example of going higher and higher. The other thing I like about this is like for bedding, for the side rails to a bed or the footboard, is that, you know, a lot of people like to have the bedding show. And so this one gives all the support that's needed, plenty of it and then some, but it still allows that bedding to come through here. The system, the joinery system is the same as it is on all the other ones. So it's just an Allen wrench. Okay, that's it. That guy, or a little larger one if you want. But then that comes out. There's this is my threaded tenon that I have fabricated. And on the other end, then I show how you can make your own threaded tenons out of aluminum or, you know, basically flat bar. So that one, I demo in there how to do actually it's in the Instructable, but how to make your own threaded tenons. Again, aluminum actually comes in, is really a sweet way to do it because it's something that people can cut and work with a lot easier. It's from flat bar, 3/4 inch by 1/4 inch flat bar, and then you do anyways, there's some templates and stuff like that. But the joinery is the same on that. So that's how that would all work. GoPro stop recording.